People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now.
From the minute I walked into the store, I felt like they knew me. S.E. listened. He was attentive to my questions as a person with my own designing needs, not just another seal a deal. He easily went with me in all directions as I struggled through the what's right for me process. He was informative, honest, and patient. Top-notch across the board. I will most definitely be back.
So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.